Hey, it's Burhaan here, and welcome to another video. I actually posted a challenge to a friend of mine, Quibus Fissa, who also has a Facebook group, and I posted this challenge to him to ask him, because he was talking about publishing and he was talking about putting out content, because we know it's necessary as business owners. We have to put content out to build an audience, to build a fan base. I took on this challenge and I said to Quibus, well, why don't we create a Facebook group? And my Facebook group is Bridgeight Community. I'll put the link in the description here. And so if you're somebody who wants to challenge yourself to publish content daily, and that could be publishing either podcast, if you want to start a podcast, or if you have a podcast, if you want to publish on YouTube over here where this video is right now, or if you want to post on Facebook because that's your place, maybe you have a Facebook group and you want to post daily in that Facebook group, then that's your place. If you want to post consistently on Pinterest, if that's your market, if that's a place that you want to focus, if you want to blog daily, whether it be on Medium or your own website is beneficial to your business, whatever other platform that you want to, if you're a graphic designer, then posting images or edits for video people, posting videos on Instagram maybe, or as stories on TikTok or Snapchat, or whatever platform is your platform of choice. I am not here to judge you on the platform that you choose. All I'm here to do is to encourage you and to hopefully lead you by example. Let me actually talk about why publishing daily is important. If you look at YouTubers, or you look at bloggers, or you look at people like Pat Flynn, Ali Abdaal, big podcast, Louise House, Jordan Harbinger, everybody who's in publishing, they are publishing consistently. The challenge that I'm creating is mainly around daily, but it's to create this habit. Russell Brunson has this concept of publish daily for a year and your life will be changed at the end of the year. If you look at somebody like Ali Abdaal, who's grown his channel from basically zero, right? We all start our channels at zero. And over the last couple of years, he's consistently just grown and he's over 1 million subscribers now. Obviously, he's got great value. His production quality is amazing. He's a really nice, likable character. He's authentic, he's real. He has all of those things going for him, but he didn't start out as a magical YouTuber, right? He didn't start out as this influential person. In fact, even with 1 million subscribers, he doesn't see himself as influential. The thing that got him going is got him going and got Pat Flynn going and got all of these people online going is publishing consistently. And so for me, consistently means daily, because I function better when I have to do something every day. And also I think it's just a good idea to get a kickstart on things. For me, I'm going to be focusing on YouTube. I'm going to be focusing on podcast and repurposing that content to various places. Now, I don't see Instagram as a primary source for me because historically I just haven't done very well on Instagram. LinkedIn is a good place for me. And so part of the repurposing of the content and part of the production of the content will be LinkedIn, but LinkedIn I'll probably post twice a week, maybe 3. But my primary channels is the podcast and YouTube, and in some cases some of the YouTube videos will actually become podcast episodes. And so I just wanted to open up about that and be humbly honest about the fact that this is for me. First and foremost, this is for me and this is for you, right? If you're somebody who's been struggling to create content, if you're somebody who's been wanting to build a business online, to market yourself online, to market your business online, content is pretty much the best way to do it. Whether it's a blog, whether it's a video, whether it's audio, it's just the best place to do it. It's one of the only ways. Of course, you can drive ads and you can do ads for on Facebook or Google or wherever, but you still need content for that, right? You still have to write something. You still have to produce something. You still have to create a graphic. You still have to create a video. If you want to join in on the challenge, this will be an ongoing challenge. Even if the group changes or even if the structure of it changes in the future, don't stress about it. Come to the link in the description, join the challenge. There's no like start or end date. It's just an ongoing, let's just get content posted daily. And like I said, it could even be a story, right? If you have maybe a podcast and maybe you want to also grow your Instagram, you don't have to post a podcast episode every day. Just post something. Just post one thing to either of those platforms today, and then tomorrow you do a podcast. The day after you do a story. But the thing is, like to hold yourself accountable. And in the group, I'm going to give you a couple of tools. I'm going to give you a few resources that you can actually use to plan out your content. I'm going to give you some training on actually how to actually create this plan. I'm going to be open about my plan. Right now I'm developing the plan, so that'll be like video 2 of how I'm actually creating this challenge and the topics that I'm going to be using and my whole process to editing content and all of that stuff. It's a free group. Join the group. The link is in the description, and I'll see you over there. Join the challenge. It's going to be helpful. It's going to be beneficial. And if you're watching this on YouTube, hit the subscribe button. Hit the link in the description as well, so that you can actually go over to the group. I'll have a link in the card as well. I think that's possible too. And enjoy the challenge. Come say hi to me in the group. I'll be engaging there often. I'll be doing some free content, some free training as well about marketing your business, about some of the technical things, and refining my content. So if you want to be part of my audience, if you want to jive with me, let's hit this challenge going. Let's hit this challenge running, and I look forward to seeing you in the group. So with that being said, thank you so much. See you soon, and happy publishing. Bye for now.